Already using mChat? Good. We've created more ways to make your life easier. SmartForms. Here's a walkthrough of how to access them in Teams. As always, you'll just type your request to mChat in plain language. In this case, we need to set up a new employee's account. Now, mChat will pull up a SmartForm. In this case, the staff onboarding form. No searching, no guessing. The right form comes right to you. You can open it up inside the chat window and start entering the details into the form. Then, fill in a few additional fields, like job title, start date, and access level. And just like that, your Marco team has everything they need to get your new employee set up from day one. Once you submit, mChat will confirm that your request has been received and route it to the right person automatically. No follow-up email needed. The rest is taken care of. In addition to onboarding, we also have SmartForms for offboarding, calendar access changes, password resets, account unlocks, and more. And remember, you can open mChat through Microsoft Teams or through the desktop app. Marco's mChat. It's just one of the ways that we're serving you faster and better. Get started today.